everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. If this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel, welcome. My channel is focused on three areas: lifestyle, travel, and skincare. I have over 30 years experience in cosmetic. That's what made me an expert in skincare education and skincare recommendations. If you'd like to know tip and trick how to stay looking younger just like me, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here, turn on the notification bell so you know time and day I release my video. As I mentioned, I'm 50 years old. Besides using skincare, I rely on some of the skincare tool to help firm and lift my skin. Today I want to show you my latest found. This is so cool. It is called Ziip HALLO. So I'm going to show you unboxing and do a demo on my face, show you before and after. And this is going to be the first impressions. So my feedback going to be the first time using this. And of course, I have a discount code. However, we haven't set this up yet. So check down my information down below. When this video release, the discount code should be active. And you can use discount code to save some money. I think you're gonna like this. Okay, let's get started this video. All right, so this is a Ziip HALLO. Okay, so let's open this baby up here. It comes in really beautiful packaging. And you see this, pretty nice box. And you know what, it's perfect for holiday gift, right? If you have a loved one who into skincare but you don't know what to buy, skincare device is really, really cool. Okay, it looks like this. Oh, this is really pretty. See that? Wow, okay. Oh my God, this is so light. It's like not even half ounce. It's very, very light device, very tiny. It holds in your palm like this. So far, I like it. I do not like devices gigantic because it's like too hard to use. This is pretty easy, I think, but we're gonna try this. Okay, so this is the device, and there's a two part right here, and this is the flat. Power is in the middle right here, and this is the USB charge right here. Okay, see what else is in here. I'm not gonna lie, I actually went online to study a little bit and look at other YouTuber review the product. The review is pretty good. Okay, in here, there is a USB charger connections here, and there's a serum that they provided right here. And let's see what else is in here. Once you open it, oh my gosh, they give you a lot of information. It give you quick start guide, how to use the machine. I like that. Or you can simply scan their QR code and download their app, and on the app they'll show you different tips and technique how to use the machines. Okay, so let me wash my face. I'll be right back, then we're gonna start this machine right now. First thing you wanna do is you wanna use the gel on this clean face. Two pump in here, watery texture like that. I'm gonna just massage into the skin. I'm only gonna do the half the face. Oh, by the way, the two pump is enough for your whole face. So after that, I'm gonna get my Ziip HALLO out. Looks like that, very small. And the power button is right in here. So I'm gonna turn this on here. Okay, so all you need to do, chin here, just glide, hold it. You hear the vibration sound, you stop. Just like that. So typically I like to do one area for like 4 or 5 times. Like this. As I studied the Ziip HALLO, they were saying that the machine is not about lymphatic drainage. It's really focused on using nano microcurrent and just stimulating the collagen and elastin into the skin. And there's no right or wrong way to use this. You can just glide everywhere on the skin if you want to. So I like that idea. It's not too complicated. If it's the microcurrent, it's gonna have a little electric shock to the skin. I barely feel anything. And then one more thing about this, there's no way to adjust the level of a microcurrent. But again, I feel like if you're new to this is great, so you don't get scared. Okay, I'm gonna work on my eye area. Just what I wanna do. I actually watched the video how to do it. So you wanna place the topper surface right here underneath the eye, and just kind of glide towards the temple, pull up like that. Before and lift. And you know what, think about contour. How do you want your skin to look? If you want to be more lifted, you want to go towards the higher point like that. If you want to be more tighter, you're just gonna glide towards the back. So I want to show you a little technique that I discovered I can do. So you can make sure to serum down to the collarbone right here. So you want to glide your collarbone, go upward, to the side, to the back, forward, around the eye, and pull up. That's kind of cool, right? Now let me finish the other side. So I'm looking at my face right now, just so you guys know this is a home device. It's not gonna be like a wow, completely change your face, unless they use a very heavy dose level of the microcurrents. But if you do that, you can be a home device, right? That could be dangerous. So this is just right amount of power for your skin. So what's my first impression of this? Super easy to use. Mistake proof. I think that's what people want to hear. I think that's what most people worry about a machine like this. They just feel like, what if I do it wrong way? With this, nothing is wrong. You just have to keep on gliding. It will do the jobs. I feel I need 2 of this to do this. But anyway, that's kind of crazy. Pretty expensive. So anyway, so I hope that you liked this video, and I will be doing more of this machine, giving more review. And as I mentioned that currently my discount code is not active yet. Once it's active, I will share this on all my social media, and then you can use them. Okay, let me know what you think about this video, and also thank you so much for your support of my YouTube channel. It means so much to me. Make sure you follow me and subscribe my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and check out Ziip HALLO. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.